Okay, for all you folks out there who have said you're going to go to the Nissan Frontier because you don't like the new Toyota Tacoma, we have come to Nissan here in Central Ohio, and they have a few Frontiers sitting here. So we're going to take a look, a bit of a lot walk, and see what these Frontiers are all about. Now, it's been years since I actually was in or drove a Frontier, and we're not driving one today. But I thought we'd take a look. We've got one sitting here. It is in blue, which I like. Take a look at the interior. Looks kind of pedestrian to me, but this is actually a used Frontier, a 2022. So we don't even have a new one sitting here. Price-wise, I don't see any pricing on here. Let's take a look, see if we have any actual new ones over here. These might all be used. I'm not sure. I might be on the used part. Here is a brown. I guess you call it brown, right? This one is going to be used as well. This is a 2023. This is the Pro4X. A little bit nicer on the inside for sure than the other one we looked at. And looks like it has a spray-in bed liner here, some guardrails or side rails. Don't really dig those myself. Ugh. It is the Pro4X. I think this is the first Pro4X I've actually ever seen in person. We have another Pro4X beside it. But again, all of these look to be used. We're not really interested in used. I think we have a couple of new ones actually sitting over there. So let's go over here and take a look at the new ones. We're not really interested in the used. Now, the first one that I see, actually both of these appear to be access cab types. Both are black. This is an SV 4x4, whatever that means. Pretty good sized bed, I must say. Is this? I guess it would have a longer bed. This is a 2024 SV King Cab, they call it. It is a V6, 3.8 liter, 310 horsepower, 281 pound-feet of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Pricing on this, $38,380. Now, let's go around to the other side. This looks to be pretty basic. And judging by the covers on the wheels, I think they probably just got these in. Doesn't look like they've maybe even been prepped yet. I'm not sure. Let's check the interior out here. Yeah, this still has all the stuff on it. So this one just came in. Pretty plain on the inside, really. I mean, I don't know. Can't really see the back on this one. Let's check out the next one. It looks to be about the same, $38,380. I'd say it's the same setup as the one beside it. Take a look at the bed. Again, the bigger bed. This is the SV 4x4. So it is the same as the other one that we saw, and still has all the packing and stuff on it. So I'm guessing this truck probably just arrived within the last couple days or so. Not a horrible looking truck, but it definitely would need a lift and some new wheels and tires to kind of jack it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Take a look at the front end here. These are pretty bare bones, hence the pricing on them, right? Now, I want to go around to the front, see if we see any more. I'm not sure if they have any more on the lot or not. These are kind of hidden in the back here. Again, kind of put back here, just came in, I think. Okay, I have found a bunch of new Nissan Frontiers. They were actually across the street from where we were. You can see they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, I don't know, something like that. This first one looks pretty basic again. And it is. It's $39,370, about the same as what we looked at before. So we're going to move on to some others. This one beside it, this brown one, is a Pro4X. This, I believe, is the one that everybody says they're going to get in lieu of the new Toyota Tacoma. This one is brown or bronze, I don't know what you call it. It is the Pro4X crew cab. Sticker on this, $49,450. And they have a price over here with some add-ons, theft recovery and Simonize, whatever, that's some kind of protection, bringing this truck up to $50,440. Taking a look on the inside, it is pretty slick on the inside, I must admit. Can't see the back very well, and does have a spray-in bed liner. And this, ugly, I don't know why, this should be black. Does have a rear slider on it, and pretty decent wheels. I mean, they're black. I like black wheels. Another access cab here beside it. Another access cab. Over there we have a pretty bare bones. Let's see what this one goes for. This is probably that King, but it's a pretty bare bones truck. I'm guessing 38. 39,370, marked up to 40,360 with these two extra items on here. Again, dealer trying to jack up the prices a bit. Beside it, let's see, we've got these SV 4x4s, the red one, the black one. We already looked at those. This is an SL 4x4. Better wheels, more upgrades on it probably. This is the SL Crew Cab V6, same horsepower and all as the other. This one 46,890. That's with the add-ons. Moving on down the line, not seeing a lot of real catchy colors either. Black and gray and brown. We do have this green over here. I kind of dig this. It's a pretty neat color, more of an army type green. Not really sure if I like it or not. This is the access cab, or they call it a King cab. Pricing on it with the addition, $39,795. And that looks like it's it. They do have several here though, I will say. So there is an assortment. If you're looking for a Nissan Frontier. Now, honestly, can you say the appearance of these trucks is better than the 2024 Tacoma? I don't think so. You know, when I look at these, they look kind of dated to me, which I've mentioned before. They're not ugly, they're not horrible, but they just look kind of dated. Not really my thing. I'm not digging the Frontier a whole lot. Again, if in a pinch it would do, but it's probably not something I would be overly interested in. Leave a comment down below, let me know. Are you choosing this over the new Toyota Tacoma? Are you serious? I'm just kidding, but I am curious. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.